Want to make your emails look more professional with a custom signature? In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to set up an email signature in Gmail. It's super simple. Let's get started. First, log into your Gmail account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner and click on the settings icon. It looks like a little gear. From the drop-down menu, click on See All Settings. This will open up a detailed settings page where you can customize everything about your Gmail. Now, scroll down the settings page until you find the signature section. It's located just below the important signals for ads section. Here, click on the Create New button. A pop-up will appear asking you to name your signature. Type a name, anything you like, and then hit Create. Now, in the signature editor, type out your custom signature. You can include your name, job title, contact info, and even links or images as shown in the video. Once your signature looks just right, scroll down and click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the settings page. Don't forget this step, or your signature won't be saved. Let's test it out. Click on the Compose button to start a new email. Look near the Send button and attachment options, and you'll see a little pen icon. Click on it, and you'll find the signature you just created. Select it, and voila! Your custom signature is now part of your email. And that's it. Setting up an email signature is easy, and it instantly makes your emails look more professional. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. See you in the next one. Subscribe now for more tech tips and tricks.